Hey guys, it's Jennifer, and yesterday I built a college dorm room. So this is me making it, and I had about like $10,000 or $19,000, and when I was done, I had only like 7,000. I spent a lot of money on this house. Well, this college dorm room. A lot of times when I build houses, the floor is like 1,000, but this time the floor was only 300 because it's a college dorm room, so it's not that big. I was trying to make a path with the roof, then make their stairs to go inside the house. But then I just laid the roof. Don't forget to subscribe to Jessica's channel, link in the description below. I didn't know if I should make the rocks like brown or like gray. Then I decided like a gray color was good. I think I was spending a little too much time on the outside. I wanted to make the table like attached to the bed and get a bookshelf and make it attached to the table. I wanted to make the table and the bookshelf the same color. I was thinking about putting like a nightstand and then putting the lamp on it, but then I was thinking that I could just put the lamp on the table. Here is where I'm going to be doing the kitchen. I'm going to keep changing the color of the counters, and then I'm going to add some cabinets. I deleted the walls because I wanted a different wallpaper behind the kitchen, and I'm gonna delete them so I can make the bathroom. I didn't want there to be too much linen in the house, so I decided to change it to this color. But then I decided cloudy gray was a better color. Now here's where I'm going to be doing the living room. I wanted to make it look like the basic TV stand was attached to the outdoor table. Then I'm gonna think that the house is a little too empty, so I'm gonna add some paintings. But then I needed a little more money, so I decided to sell 2 of them. Then I also decided to add a chair. The reason I added a flat roof was because I didn't have enough money, but then I decided to just raise it up a little so it wouldn't look as weird. I accidentally put one light in the sky, but I didn't notice. Now here is where I'm going to be decorating the bathroom. Now here I'm going to be giving you guys a tour. Then I'm going to realize I need to pay my bills. You can see the light in the sky when you're outside. Let's start the tour. I am ending the video right here. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe.